right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel. So I just want to make a quick reaction video for you to confirm something, and that thing is those calling USB charger. People who travel to Finland calling USB charger. Those who actually believe that USB have been already declared. You supported, you are in love with it, you travel. You went there to redeclare Biafra, and all of a sudden you are not calling the USB charger. Simply because of what you think, simply because of what you believe, simply because you think that everything must go the way you want. Or maybe somebody places a call to you and asks you not to say anything or not to support because they want you to be one of the media. They want you to support because they feel that you have voice. All of a sudden you forgot all the joy, all the happiness, the template that PM led, that people, COS and Biafrans followed to redeclare Biafra. You turn it around and begin to say all manner of nonsense. Now, I would like to show you this screenshot. Many of you know this our brother. I called him a brother because he's a Biafran. Despite all his shenanigans now, trying to, I don't know him in person. These are people who believe that hiding their face is the best way to free yourself and everything. I'm not here to encourage you to do what you don't want, but take a closer look at this screenshot. Let me see if I can expand it more. Yeah. Now, when you pay close attention to this screenshot here, this is from the guy called Okute Biafra. I don't know, many of you know him. And he said, God bless USB. Okay? Happy Independence, United States of Biafra. And he made this post when? December 4th, 2024. 4th December 2024, because Biafra was really declared on 29th of November. Then 29, 30, 31st, January, okay, February. Now, those times he already changed to, to Ogenkere camp. But Biafra was declared on 29th of November, not December, sorry, 29th of November. Then when you calculate it, from 29th of November, then you have 30. Okay? You have 30 and you have 1st of December. So 29, let me start from 30. 30, 1st, 2nd, then you have 3rd. That means 4 days after declaring Biafra, this our brother made this post. Meaning that everything that happened, everything that went on, that happened or took place in that hall in Finland, this our brother watching from afar, because he did not travel to Finland just like many of us. And he was okay with the whole event. Okay? 4 days later, he made this post out of joy and happiness. God bless USB. Happy Independence, USB, United States of Biafra. Showing his feelings and how he perceived the whole thing. He was okay with it. Just like what Prince Will said, that he was okay with US and everything until success called him. So who called this guy? Because today, he's now on. If you check his post now, he's one of those that believe that Ogenkere is the best way to go. Calling USB charger, USB Nigeria, USB this, USB that. I don't blame him. He's in maybe wanting like what Mazokana said. Poor people cannot fight for freedom. Poor man, they cannot fight for freedom. All right. So many people like him, those of them that USB, that kind of thing. USB. As they're saying USB, they're looking for whom to buy, to pay for them, to bought them over. Okay, and this guy, I have seen some advertisement from Ogenkere camp asking for how to give them support, fundraising. You understand? To donate money to support and all that. Because once you have issue and you have somebody that will solve that issue for you, you end up making this kind of mistake, giving yourself out for people to see that you actually believe you're actually working for something. I hope you're feeling what I'm saying. They will make you to believe that they can offer you something, and once you accept that offer, you begin to act like this guy. From Happy Independence, United States of Biafra, to Biafra, USB, Nigerian USB charger. Many of them who have not even, maybe, who did not receive money, they allow themselves to be brainwashed. And they actually, acting as if they don't remember when they were happy, what happened. They don't remember the joy and everything that took place in Finland. If you pay close attention to the video that we're about to watch now, this video, if you pay close attention to that, you will relate. And I'm going to allow the video to play. Let us just allow it to. Okay, excuse me. Okay, let me just allow it to roll. The thing is hanging somehow, so let me just take it back a bit. All right. So please, before we go, like the video and subscribe to the channel. All right. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video. Click on the like button. Comment. Let me know your own take on that. A lot is going on, and those things that is happening now is not something like, it's not just fall from out of nowhere. Some people call, some people deceive each other, some people lure some of them to do what they're doing today. How can you be in this kind of environment and all of a sudden, everything means nothing to you? You started talking as if you don't know the what happened in Finland, or the importance of ridiculing Biafra and the effort that Biafra put together to achieve this colorful event. Now, let's go back to the video. Like I said, listen.
Silence for the Biafra national anthem.
Yeah.
All right. So if you are one of those that find yourself here, if you are here, if you are part of those in this video, or you are in your various places, and you are happy, you are rejoicing, you rejoiced, and you are happy about what happened, how the whole thing happened in Finland, and today you are saying that USB charger, USB Nigerian, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. I'm not hiding my word. I mean it, because that is one of the most disgraceful things to do as a human being. Anyway, my people, please like the video and let me know what your take. What do you have to tell those who keep on shouting USB Nigerian? He said you're not a nation. He said you're not a nation. But everything they declared here is what? Nation. What is different between those that declared a sovereign nation and what you have done, what you just did here, or what happened here? Those of you who claim that what I said yesterday when I called out the criminality of fall back deep republic, two of them claim they are republic. We are going to come live today to expose more things, the criminality of both republic. We are going to remind us what we actually meant by saying that. Please be here with us. Just make sure you join us when the time comes. And remember, we have, our membership is on. I told us in our video yesterday, and thank God, some of you that have joined, may God bless you, and I appreciate you for doing that. That's a way to support us. And we are not asking you to put us in your payroll, but what we are doing is for everybody, not for any person, not for personal interest or to brainwash anybody, but to make sure that you'll be able to remember where you are coming from and where you are heading to. God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now.